Hello everyone. SSC GD 2025 first shift review February 13. General knowledge and awards. The Ustad Bismillah Khan Yuva Puraskar is an annual award given to young artists in India who are under 40 years old. The award is given by Sangeet Natak Academy for their talent in music, dance, drama. The correct answer for this question is the Ustad Bismillah Khan award given to the dance or drama and other performing arts. The award was established in 2006. Next, General Knowledge and Awards. The Dronacharya Award was established in 1985. It's given to the coaches who have helped their athletics achieve outstanding result in international competitions. The correct answer for this question is 1985. Indian Polity and Constitutions. The Prime Minister of India is the head of the Council of Ministers under which article? The answer for this question is Article 74(1) of the Constitution of India. Next question. The Government of India Act 1935 had how many sections? The correct answer for this question is the Government of India Act 1935, 321 sections, 10 schedules. It was the longest act passed by the British Parliament until the Greater London Authority Act 1999. The correct answer is how many sections are there? 321 sections. Next, Indian history. The partition of Bengal was revoked in 1911 by Lord Hardinge II. When but partition of Bengal started? 1911. Indian economy and budget. What is budget? A budget is a spending plan that outlines your income, expenses, and other financial goals like savings and debt pay down. Geography and demographics related questions. Which state has the lowest child sex ratio in India 2011 census? The correct answer is Haryana with 834 females per 1000 males in the 0 to 6 age group. Indian art and culture. Kathak is a primary classical dance form of which part of India? The correct answer is northern part of India. It originated in Uttar Pradesh and is also practiced in other parts of India. Kathak is originated in Uttar Pradesh state. It is a part of northern India. Indian art and culture question. Bombay Jayashree Ramnath is a famous Indian Carnatic vocalist and musician who is known as her for music and film. She is also known as a Bombay Jayashree. Bombay Jayashree is known as a Bombay Jayashree Ramnath is the correct answer. Indian government and ministers. Who is the current Minister of the Commerce and Industry? The correct answer for this question is Shri Piyush Goyal. Ancient Indian text and literature. What is Gopat Brahman related to? Gopat Brahmana is associated with the Atharva Veda. Atharva Veda is the correct answer. One of the four Vedas of Hinduism. The Gopat Brahman related to the Atharva Veda. Thank you for watching. These are the key answers review of the SSC GD examination February 13th first shift.